Hello, dear Sicily lovers! I'm planning a beautiful tour of Sicily, a custom private tour of Sicily for a couple from California who will visit Sicily in 2025. But I'm glad to show you my personal assistant, Ginevra. Ginevra is not very helpful. She's very lazy. Ginevra, why don't you take a stroll with me? Let's go in the garden. She's not an active traveler. If you are afraid not to be active travelers, if you are like Ginevra, lazy like Ginevra, don't worry. We will provide you with the most memorable tour of Sicily according to your needs.